Hi there! Are you getting ready for Take Your Child to Work Day? We're excited to meet you. Did you know the town of Jupiter is full of people who work every day to keep our community safe, clean, fun, and beautiful? Jupiter is special because of our parks, beaches, roads, and places to play. But all of those things don't just happen by magic. People work together to make them great. Town employees do many different jobs. Some help keep us safe, some take care of parks and trees, some fix roads, keep water flowing, and help plan fun events for everyone. And guess what? One of those people is your parent or family member. On Take Your Child to Work Day, you'll get to visit, explore, and meet some of the people who help Jupiter every day. You might see cool equipment, learn something new, and even discover jobs you never knew existed. What job are you most excited to see? We can't wait to meet you and show you around. Get ready for a fun day, and welcome to the town of Jupiter.